How to build a landing page with Card. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a clean and professional landing page using Card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Go to card.co and log in or sign up for a free account. On the dashboard, click New Site to start building. Choose a template that fits your goal, whether it's collecting emails, showcasing a product, or linking your socials. Once the editor opens, click on any element to edit text, upload images, or change styles. You can drag elements around to adjust the layout to your liking. Use the plus button on the sidebar to add more sections like forms, buttons, videos, or galleries, depending on what your landing page needs. Click the gear icon on each section to customize padding, fonts, colors, and even animations for a more polished look. To collect emails, add a form element and connect it to services like MailChimp or use a custom email handler. When everything looks good, hit Publish. Choose a free Card URL or connect your own domain and your landing page is live. And that's how you build a stunning landing page with Card in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.